Chevrolet Sonic 2012 to 2020. To remove the front bumper, you need to remove 4 bolts and 2 clips at the top of the bumper under the hood. After that, unscrew 4 screws on each side inside the fender liner. Then, using plastic trim tools, very carefully release the clips at the corners of the bumper to avoid the breaking them. Finally, remove 6 screws from the bottom of the bumper and you are good to go.